Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we'll be diving into SQL execution and writing orders. So we'll break down how SQL process queries and how we should write them for best results. Let's get started. Say for example, so we're having employee data. So in that we have department name, employee ID, employee name and salary. And first we'll see how we should write the SQL query in order. First we'll see the writing order. So this is how we should write the SQL query. So it will select the columns which we mention. And from which table we'll be selecting the data we have to mention here. So here we are selecting employee table, we mention employee. The where condition, it applies the condition. So based on the condition, it filters the data. So here the condition we have given here salary, if it is greater than 3000, then filter the records. The group by, so it groups the data. Having is also it's kind of where condition. So but having it will work on based on the grouping what we have done here. An order by it sort the data based decide whether you want descending order or ascending order. Limit, it will limit the records how many you give here. Here I given two records I given, so two records it will be limited. So next we'll see how the execution order will happen. Then first it comes from class and then where group by having select order by limit, and we see how the from class will work here. So first SQL begins execution by identifying the table from which data will be retrieved. First it checks the employee data, all the records as shown below, and then where class. So where class what we have written here, so it filters the data based on the condition what we are given here. So here we have written salary greater than 3000. So whichever the records we have below 3000 and 3000, all records will be eliminated here. So if you see in this picture, so Gautam, Rajkumar, Rohit, all are having less than 3000. So all these records will be eliminated. So then group by. After filtering the group by class, it groups the remaining rows based on a specified columns. So as we see here, the admin, so earlier we have two columns we have, so it is grouped as one column. So here we can't see the data as because, so this is aggregating based on the salary. So this salary will be clubbed as shown like this 14,000. The same way, similar way, it will group for remaining columns. Next, having class. Having class, as we discussed, it is similar to where condition. So it filters the data based on the group. So as if we see here, so we have written sum of salary is greater than 5,000. So wherever we have below 5,000 and 5,000 records will be eliminated here. The, the sum is happening based on the department name. So this we already grouped here. So the filter is happening based on the grouping. Next, select statement. So it select the columns which we given in the table. Department name and sum of salary we have given in the select statement. So it will filters only those. And then order by, it sorts the data based on the descending order as shown like this. Then limit, so it limit the records. So here we have given limit 2 we have given. So the first top 2 only it will select and the remaining 2 it will be eliminated. This is the final output we'll get like this. So if you're writing SQL queries, so it is very important to understand these topics. If you're finding difficulties by remembering so these steps, I will help you with the some mnemonics to identify easily. So first writing order. So for writing order, I have given some mnemonics based on the first letters. So for example, if you have select some. So if you read this sentence, some friends will get happy on leave. So this is the mnemonic. So based on that, we can identify first. S means select, F means friends, W means where, G means group by, H means having, O means order by, and L means limit. The same way for execution order. So fish will grow hair sometimes on legs. This is how we can remember easily the writing order and the execution order. And we see one example how we have written the query, and we'll execute and show you. So I'm not explaining how I've written this query. So this is only simple record only. I just copied and pasted over here. I'll just directly execute and we'll see how many records we'll get. So if I execute this, see, we'll get only admin and finance departments only will get as shown in that picture. So that's all for the video. So you guys understood this topic. So keep watching. Please subscribe. Thank you.